Today for Keith Evans' cooking session, I am cooking chicken Parmesan with cheese. Mmm. Make sure that chicken is cooked real good. Make sure you oil your pan to bake in the oven. That's what you want to use. Chef Keith on the scene. Time to fry more. Make sure it's seasoned. Time to flip that joint. Oh. Gotta be careful, little grease popping. Oh. Now I'm about to make my noodles. A little bit of salt. That's good, that's good. Then you want to add some oil so it won't stick to the bottom. A little bit of olive oil. Just put a little bit in there so it won't stick. Now that the olive oil is in there, we're going to let that boil. Put it on high for a good minute. Now we're going to get on to the fun part. Designing the chicken with the pasta and the cheese. I said pasta. The sauce and the cheese. We're going to do it for both plates. Sauce, yeah, put that joint right on there. Now we got the sauce on there. We're going to put the cheese on there. It's already at 350 degrees. Now you want to sprinkle the cheese on there. Now we're going to do it for the second one. Don't be shy about the cheese too, guys, or women. You know, it don't matter. The more cheese, the more better it is. Noodles are cooking, nice and boiled. And it's in there, ready to cook. Alright guys, make sure you drain your noodles after they're done cooking so you can get out all the starch. That's more healthy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I burnt my noodles a little bit, but that's okay, because we're going to learn from this. Don't get sidetracked.